We're going to show you the unboxing and pairing of the Creative Outlier Air, the true wireless sweatproof in-ears. This is what you see once you have opened up the box. It's got a pair of wireless earbuds. This is the charging case. It's got a USB type A to C cable and also a pair of extra earbuds and some user manual. So this is a sliding charging case, and this is where you plug your type C USB charging cable. Do note that it doesn't come with any USB charger, so you probably have to use your phone charger. So this is left and this is right. Both the earbuds are now in the charging case and is being charged as indicated by the glowing red LED. You can also see that it's being charged by the indicator over here, which is L for left and R for right earbud. Next, we will show you how to pair the earbuds to your mobile phone. Now the first unit that you remove will be the main unit. To pair the unit, first turn on the Bluetooth from your mobile phone. It has detected our Outlier Air right earbuds. Select that. And once it is paired, there's a Bluetooth pairing request to pair with the Outlier Air left earbud. Select OK. And that is how you pair your Creative Outlier Air earbuds to your mobile phone. Let us now place the earbuds back into the charging case. Next, we're going to show you how to charge the charging case. Using the USB cable that come in box, plug the Type C end of the USB cable into the charging case. And for the Type A USB, plug it into the 1 amp USB socket for the power bank. Now we recommend using the 1 amp USB socket because that is what the user manual recommends. And you can see that the charging indicator for the charging case is now lit up. To do a master reset for your Creative Outlier Air, first ensure that it is in the charging case. Then press both earbuds simultaneously for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will see that it has turned blue. After that, if you are to take out any of the earbuds, you will notice that it is in the pairing mode. As indicated by the blue and red blinking light. So this is how you do a master reset for your Creative Outlier Air.